One of the main features of Mendeley is that it can store information about the sources you are reading, including PDFs. Let's look at how to add PDF journal articles. First, open and sign into the Mendeley Reference app. We can drag and drop PDFs from our device into our Mendeley library. We can add PDFs one at a time, or we can select multiple PDFs to add all together. Mendeley will extract details from the document and create a library entry. Occasionally, there may be errors, so it is very important to check that the details are accurate. Doing this now will save time later. To check or amend details, select the entry, then click the relevant field information panel and type in the details directly. Changes will be saved automatically. According to DKIT's Harvard Referencing Guidelines, online journal articles should include an accessed date and the name of the library database or website from where we downloaded it. Mendeley hasn't included these, so we should add them now. For this PDF, Mendeley hasn't recognised that it is a journal article. We should amend this and add an access date and a database name or URL.